Luxury tropical garden look on a tiny budget. Upcycled decor and propagation hacks. Dreaming of a lush tropical paradise in your backyard but worried about the cost? The good news is that creating a luxurious tropical garden doesn't require a huge budget. With a little creativity, some recycled materials, and clever plant propagation techniques, you can transform even the smallest outdoor space into a stunning green retreat. Today, we'll explore practical ways to achieve that high-end tropical look while spending far less than you might expect. Every beautiful tropical garden begins with layers of greenery. Instead of purchasing dozens of mature plants, focus on a few key tropical varieties that grow quickly and create visual impact. Large leaf plants, ornamental grasses, and fast-growing foliage can instantly establish the lush atmosphere associated with luxury resorts. By arranging plants in layers, from tall specimens at the back to smaller varieties in front, you create depth and richness without needing expensive landscaping services. One of the secrets to budget-friendly luxury is repurposing everyday objects into stylish garden features. Old wooden crates can become elevated plant stands, weathered ladders can display cascading greenery, and unused baskets can serve as charming planters. With a fresh coat of paint or a natural weathered finish, these forgotten items can look surprisingly sophisticated. The goal is to create unique focal points that add character while keeping costs incredibly low. Designer planters often come with hefty price tags, but you can achieve a similar look using recycled containers. Large buckets, storage bins, metal tubs, or even old barrels can be transformed into attractive planters with simple upgrades. Adding texture through paint, rope wrapping, or natural stone accents helps create the appearance of custom-made garden containers. These oversized planters also contribute to the bold, dramatic style that defines tropical landscapes. One of the smartest ways to fill a tropical garden is by propagating plants rather than constantly buying new ones. Many tropical favorites can be multiplied through cuttings, division, or water propagation. A single healthy plant can eventually produce numerous offspring, allowing your garden to expand naturally over time. Not only does this save money, but it also gives you the satisfaction of growing your own thriving collection from just a few original specimens. Luxury tropical gardens often feel abundant because plants are grouped closely together. Instead of scattering plants evenly throughout the space, cluster them in generous layers. Combining different leaf shapes, heights, and shades of green creates a rich tapestry of texture. This layered approach makes the garden appear mature and professionally designed, even when most of the plants have been grown from inexpensive cuttings or divisions. Nothing elevates a garden quite like the soothing sound of water. Fortunately, You don't need an elaborate pond or expensive fountain to achieve this effect. Small DIY water features can be created using recycled containers, inexpensive pumps, and decorative stones. Even a simple bubbling water pot can add movement, sound, and a sense of tranquility that instantly enhances the tropical atmosphere. A simple layer of mulch can dramatically improve the appearance of any garden. Materials such as coconut husks, bark chips, dried leaves, or shredded branches help retain moisture while giving planting beds a clean, finished appearance. Mulch also creates visual contrast against vibrant tropical foliage, helping plants stand out while making the entire garden feel more cohesive and professionally maintained. Luxury outdoor spaces often rely on subtle lighting to create evening ambience. Solar-powered garden lights provide an affordable solution that requires no electrical installation. Placing lights among foliage, along pathways, or beneath focal plants highlights textures and creates dramatic shadows after sunset. The result is a magical nighttime environment that feels far more expensive than it actually is. A tropical garden isn't just about plants, it's also about creating spaces where people can relax and enjoy the surroundings. Repurposed benches, pallet furniture, or second-hand chairs can become inviting seating areas with the addition of weather-resistant cushions and outdoor textiles. These cozy corners encourage you to spend more time outdoors while reinforcing the luxurious retreat-like feeling of the garden. Creating a stunning tropical garden on a small budget is entirely possible when you focus on resourcefulness rather than expensive purchases. By using upcycled decor, recycled planters, simple propagation methods, and thoughtful design principles, you can build a garden that looks rich, vibrant, and professionally styled. The most beautiful tropical spaces aren't always the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones created with imagination, patience, and a passion for bringing nature closer to home. Your dream tropical paradise may be much closer and much more affordable than you ever imagined.